Why would someone get fined £400 for a box they never even touched? Why are people across the country being hit with waste fines even when they try to do the right thing? That is what happened to us, and it can happen to you too. We ordered something from our supplier. Pretty standard delivery. It came through every. The driver dropped the parcel outside our unit door. No knock, no signature, no photo. Just left it there. Later that day, thieves obviously stole the parcel. They ripped it open, took the contents and left the box behind. A few days later, that box showed up in the alleyway behind the housing estate. Dumped, torn, but the shipping label with our name and address was still stuck to it. That was all the council needed. We received a £400 fine through the post. No warning, just a penalty and a threat. Pay or face the court. Now you might think this is a rare case, but it actually is not. So why are people getting fined like this? The answer is simple. Councils are under pressure to crack down on fly tipping. When they find waste dumped in public areas, they look for evidence, any scrap of info that links it to a person or a business. They find a name on a box, a receipt, an address on the label. That becomes enough to take action, whether or not you actually dumped the waste. In our case, the waste was stolen from us, but it did not matter. We had to dig for evidence, tracking from the courier, CCTV footage, order records. And even then, getting that information into the council system was a nightmare. Their contact forms were broken, emails went unanswered, and weeks went by. They just kept threatening us while ignoring everything we sent. So how do you stop this from happening to you? Start with deliveries. If a package goes missing, report it right away. Save tracking numbers, take photos if parcels are left outside. If something gets stolen, log it with the courier. The paperwork may save you later. Next, if you're clearing out rubbish and thinking of hiring someone to remove it, be careful. Before hiring waste clearance services, do not go by price alone. Ask to see their waste carrier license. Every legal waste handler in the UK must have one. If they cannot show it, do not use them. You can check their license number on the Environment Agency website in under 2 minutes. That one check could protect you from a huge fine. And always get a waste transfer note or at least a receipt. That proves they took responsibility for disposing of the waste properly. No paperwork means no protection if things go wrong. So many rogue collectors advertise on social media. They offer cheap prices, same-day collection, but once they have the rubbish, they dump it illegally. And when it gets found, your name is on it. That is how people get caught, and that is why this matters. Innocent people are being fined for other people's crimes. We went through it, we fought it, and we want you to avoid it. If this helped, or if something similar happened to you, leave a comment. Your story might help someone else. And if you want more straight talk about how things really work, subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Thank you.